Hello, good afternoon. My name is Imelda Suarez. I had a problem with my lower back before, and my left leg. I suffered from a severe back pain and left leg, and I had this problem for a year. Um, my sister is the one actually who recommended a chiropractor before, because she was in the States, and her friend also had a chiropractor there. So she suggested that I had to look for a chiropractor nearest to my place where I live. So I find this chiropractor clinic nearest to my place because I just live further down below the road. So I look for this place, and before I'm actually hesitant to come here because I don't know. But when I came here, all the staff are very approachable, very kind, and Dr. James as well, Wendy, Emmy, and even the other staff who left. So they're very friendly and very approachable. And before I asked even so many questions to Dr. James, and he answered me all the questions. So, and even I accompany with my husband because I don't know what it is all about, because I work in the hospital but I don't know about the chiropractor. So he answered all my questions, and I become the patient of Dr. James for nearly 3 years now. I was his patient since 2009. So before that, I have an intensive treatment for 3 to 4 months because I have a sciatica, which was diagnosed by my GP, and had that problem for a long time. So what I did, I came here. I'm a regular patient, so I had my intensive treatment, and now before I suffered a lot of pain, but now I'm improving a lot, and I'm much more happier and become more physically fit, and they're very helpful. So and it really improves me a lot. It strengthened my body, strength, and become more physically fit, and I'm become more happier now. And I really highly recommend this clinic and Dr. James, all the staff. To if you're a patient, you become one of them, you can come here in the clinic, and then be a part of this clinic, be a part of this for better health, whatever. And I really highly recommended it. It will change your life and be more happy and become more physically fit. They're very approachable, so it will help you a lot and make you feel better. So I highly recommend this. They're very good. Okay, thank you.